Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can open your business account on Wise app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Wise app and already logged in, and now right after that, once you open it, you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Wise apps on the screen, where you can see your profile picture at the top left corner of this dashboard. Simply tap on that profile picture and now you can see the open a business account at the top, just down below of your profile picture. So once you tap on it, you'll be redirected to the another page where you need to choose your country. From here, let's say USA, and now let's select the USA, and now you need to choose your company type over here. So let's say LLC, and you need to enter your registered business name over here and your EIN number, that is taxpayer identification number, and finally tap on the continue, and you need to enter few more credentials of your business documents. And yeah, once you verify your business, you'll be able to open a business account successfully. So basically this is how you can open a business account on Wise app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.